2 a.m. Woohoo. This is just unreal, the lightning flashes I'm getting up here. It's about 4 a.m. now. The other footage was at 2 a.m., 2:30 or so. It's been going continuously. I think the good stuff has moved out of view. Yeah, looks like it's going up over the roof now, as opposed to behind that tree. Yeah, it's behind the clouds, can't see it. Yeah, I think that's the end of it, as far as the visuals go. Yeah, okay. Happy day to you. 4:50 a.m. now, out in my backyard, because it has moved a bit inland from from where it was. And I got a bigger sky back here anyway. Whoa, oh shoot, look at that, all over the place. Just noticed some of the good stuff is back. We can see actual strikes, as opposed to just a general lighting of the sky. Whoa. It's all over too. I mean, it's all over the place. South, west, north. It's all to the west, but it's from end to end. Whoa, there you go. Oh, I hope that came out. That sort of showed some good fork lightning. I don't know if they still use that term. When I was a kid, that's what they called it. You could see the actual trail of the bolt. That was called fork lightning. The regular lightning just lit up the sky. Whoa, man. Now what's interesting is we've got this stuff that's right over us. So I mean it's right here. And yet the sound is taking so long to get here. That must be very, very high up. Like miles high. Oh my God. Whoa. See, note how long that sound took to get here. Okay, we're getting some good stuff off to the south here now. Southwest. Oh, and some stuff over to the east starting now too. I'm just going to go straight overhead because I'm getting some stuff overhead you wouldn't believe. Wow. Oh my God. What a show.